Well, at the moment, today there should be about 137,000 seats. So if we assume today's a really busy day and we got 95% load factors, we've got 130,000 passengers today who are going to be disrupted, inconvenienced. There was an Airport Commission study a couple of years ago that valued a lost hour from a flight delay to a business passenger at £49 and to a leisure passenger £6 per hour. So that, in terms of UK productivity, is about 5 million today. And in terms of the airlines, we're probably talking of 100,000 plus per hour in terms of aircraft in the wrong place, the cost of repositioning, crews going out of duty hours, and even, unfortunately, the potential threat of having to pay delayed flight compensation to those passengers who claim for factors that are outside the airline's control.